Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word umbrageous. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is umbrageous. Let's break it down. First, we have which sounds like the in umbrella. Next is bray, which rhymes with ray and is the stressed syllable. Finally, Jews, which sounds like the jus in justice. Now let's put it all together. Umbrageous. Try repeating after me. Umbrageous. Now a little faster. Umbrageous. And at full speed, umbrageous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Umbrageous refers to something that provides shade or something characterized by being easily offended or sensitive. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce umbrageous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.